USB-C to HDMI adapters are essential for connecting modern devices to external displays, enabling high-quality video and seamless productivity. My today's video is about top 5 best USB-C to HDMI adapter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Hiwing's USB-C to HDMI adapter. The Hiwing's USB-C to HDMI adapter is a meticulously engineered solution for seamless 4K at 60 Hz video transmission, designed specifically for devices supporting DisplayPort Alternate Mode, DP Alt Mode. Leveraging Thunderbolt 3/4 to HDMI 2.0 technology, it delivers up to 18 gigabits per second bandwidth with full backward compatibility to HDMI 1.4/1.3/1.2, ensuring crisp visuals and smooth frame rates. Its plug-and-play design eliminates setup hassles, instantly converting a USB-C port into an HDMI output for laptops, tablets, or smartphones, though users must verify DP Alt Mode support as incompatible devices, including most iPhones, Oppo/Vivo phones, and Nintendo Switch, will not function. Built for durability, the adapter features SR flexible strength design, military-grade tensile nylon, and 24K gold-plated ports, surviving up to 25,000 flexes without signal loss. Extending HDMI reach and offering versatile connection angles, it's ideal for home theaters or gaming setups. Backed by a 24-month warranty, it combines reliability, performance, and peace of mind for long-term use. Now our second product is BenFi USB-C to HDMI adapter. The BenFi USB-C to HDMI adapter combines portability, performance, and reliability in a sleek, compact design, making it ideal for professionals, students, or anyone needing seamless screen extension. Its lightweight form factor allows easy transport in a bag or pocket, perfect for connecting laptops or desktops to monitors, projectors, or HD TVs for presentations or extended displays. Powered by an advanced IC chip, it converts USB-C digital signals to HDMI with high stability, though users must ensure their device supports USB Type-C DP Alt Mode. The adapter delivers stunning visual performance, supporting resolutions up to 3840x2160 at 60 Hz, including 2K at 144 Hz, 1080p, and more, while the plated USB-C connector and molded strain relief enhance signal integrity and durability. Broad compatibility spans MacBook Pro/Air, iMacs, Dell XPS, HP Spectre, Samsung Galaxy Tabs, and more. Backed by an 18-month warranty and responsive customer service, it offers both peace of mind and consistent high-definition connectivity. Our third product is Worky USB-C to HDMI adapter. The Worky USB-C to HDMI adapter delivers a flawless, high-performance solution for extending or mirroring UHD content from Type-C devices to larger displays, supporting 4K at 60 Hz with backward compatibility for 1440p/2K at 144 Hz and 1080p at 240 Hz. Its effortless plug-and-play operation eliminates driver hassles and Wi-Fi instability, while HDCP compliance ensures smooth media streaming without restrictions. Crafted with precision, it features gold-plated connectors for secure, high-speed transmission, unibody molding for durability, and an aluminum case that dissipates heat efficiently. The thick copper wiring minimizes signal loss, while the nylon braided jacket, non-slip thumb grip, and shockproof metal connectors provide long-lasting reliability and user-friendly handling. Stylishly designed in gray metallic with a subtle blue accent, it includes a Velcro tie for travel convenience. Compatible with a wide range of devices supporting DP Alt Mode and Thunderbolt 3 of 4, including MacBook Pro/Air, iMac, iPad Pro, Surface devices, Dell XPS, Samsung Galaxy, and more. It combines sophistication, durability, and superior audio-visual performance for both work and personal use. Now number 4, Ugreen USB-C to HDMI adapter. The 5-in-1 USB-C multiport adapter is a versatile and powerful solution for expanding connectivity on modern laptops and devices. Featuring a 4K HDMI port, a 100W USB-C PD pass-through charging port, a high-speed 5 gigabits per second USB-A 3.0 port, and two 480 megabits per second USB-A 2.0 ports. It allows seamless multitasking for work, presentations, or media consumption. The USB-C PD port supports up to 95W charging while reserving 5W for other functions, ensuring laptops stay powered without interrupting data transfer or display output. The HDMI port delivers crisp 4K at 30 Hz visuals, perfect for detailed presentations or streaming, provided the host device supports video output. File transfers are lightning fast with the USB 3.0 port, while the extra USB 2.0 ports handle peripherals like keyboards and mice effortlessly. Broad plug-and-play compatibility across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, combined with support for most USB-C devices, including MacBook Pro/Air, makes this multi-port adapter an essential, reliable tool for productivity and multimedia needs. And our last choice is Anker USB-C to HDMI adapter. The Anker 7-in-1 USB-C hub is a sleek, all-in-one solution for expanding connectivity and productivity on modern laptops and devices. Compact, yet feature-rich, it offers an HDMI port capable of stunning 4K at 60 Hz output, two USB-A 3.0 ports, a USB-C data port, all delivering 5 gigabits per second transfer speeds, plus a USB-C PD input for fast 85W laptop charging, and dual SD/TF card slots for versatile media access. Its HDMI output ensures crisp, fluid visuals, ideal for presentations or entertainment, while the high-speed USB ports accelerate data transfers, improving workflow efficiency. The hub's robust PD charging keeps laptops powered without sacrificing performance, allowing extended productivity away from an outlet. With a thoughtfully designed, compact form factor, reliable build quality, and Anker's 18-month warranty with responsive customer support, this hub seamlessly combines convenience, performance, and durability, making it a must-have accessory for professionals, content creators, and anyone needing versatile connectivity on the go. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.